I didn't know you could be sick of chocolate, but I am. Totally worth it, though.
Marshmallow unicorn.
You got that right.
Just tell us when you need us to bust out our sweet moves.
No, you can't cancel the shoot. I ate so much cereal for this.
We already have ghost hunting experts on the way.
Plus, this ghost isn't that bad. See?